I'd like now to welcome Killian Charles, CEO of Brunswick Exploration. Brunswick is an exploration company looking for lithium in the James Bay region. Killian?
All right, let's get this show on the road here. Let's talk lithium. I think it's important for people to understand the impact and how the industry is changing. You know, what we're starting to see when it comes to lithium in Quebec is the formation of a district. The James Bay is going to be one of the most important regions in the world. I'm actually quite convinced that in the next 5 to 10 years, when people open up a textbook and look at where lithium comes from, they'll see a couple locations. They'll see maybe Brazil, they see Western Australia, but they'll also see Quebec. This is an industry that is evolving, and so it is one that is constantly growing. New discoveries are being made. This was always the point of Brunswick Exploration. We wanted to make discoveries in jurisdictions that matter, jurisdictions that are going to develop lithium asset. And I'll be honest with you, we just saw one right before the Papua New Guinea presentation. We saw Winsome. This is what it matters when it comes to lithium, all right? Where is it located? It is located in Quebec. When you take assets in Quebec, when you look at lithium assets, I promise you, they are typically larger, higher grade with better metallurgy. Your zip code matters. And in this context, Brunswick Exploration absolutely has one of the best zip codes. We are currently advancing one of the most exciting grassroots discoveries for lithium in Quebec. It is the Mirage property. It is a greenfield discovery. There was no lithium showing there before. It was discovered based predominantly off our model, where we focused on areas of interest across all of Canada, but as well as Quebec. And it has led to 3 successful discoveries. It just so happens they're all in Quebec as well, but again, that speaks to the exploration potential of the province. But this Mirage asset that we discovered in August of last year, even with all the forest fires that we had last year, we have already put 10,000 meters of drilling into it, and we are absolutely growing it. We put out a press release yesterday outlining 70 meters starting from surface at 1.6%. That followed up on 94 meters at 1.5%, once you know it, again from surface. So let's quickly dive into it here. I know everyone's having a wonderful time listening to all these presentations. This is Quebec. This is the James Bay. This is your lithium district, all right? This is something that's unique. For the first time in a very long time, you are going to have an axis. It's not about the lithium triangle, it's about the lithium axis. Maybe not, axis of evil like Bush used to say, but anyway, this axis starts from the James Bay, where you're going to see production of raw lithium ore, down into midstream, into refining in Quebec, then into further manufacturing into Quebec, into Ontario, into the US. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to completely redefine a particular industry, a global industry, important for decarbonization, into a single province, into a single area. I take the view that there is enough lithium in Quebec to supply all of North America. With discoveries like Patriot has done, with discoveries like Winsome has done, and with discoveries like hopefully we are going to do at Mirage, we are setting the tone for lithium in North America. All right? You can see here some of the drill results from our previous campaign. There's actually smaller than what we've been drilling right now. We have expanded across this area. This Mirage property is roughly located 50 kilometers north of Winsome, about 100 kilometers east of Patriot, and it is going to be the focal point of lithium production in the future. As I mentioned, zip code matters, and it doesn't get better of a zip code than this. It's our 90210 when it comes to lithium. So let's jump here. We can see, we're going to zoom in on the Mirage property. This is where we've been drilling. This is the property itself. You can see here, it is quite a significant property, which we control. We are focused on this small little 2.5 by 2.5 kilometer. That's where we've put roughly 12,000 meters of drilling, where we have consistently hit thick, high-grade lithium mineralization across a number of dikes, all right at surface. We are merely scratching the surface when it comes to the potential of Mirage. Our drill holes, we haven't really gone below vertical depth of 100 meters on our targets. They are open in every single direction. We have yet to even understand the potential here. Even beyond this 2.5 kilometer area, we've actually made more discoveries. You can see there's a lake to the northeast. We've actually found a new outcrop right there. We are only starting. Again, we were here in August last year, spent 3 weeks prospecting. I'm actually jealous. Everyone, the whole team is here but me and my colleague Sarah. Everyone else is up in the field right now, following up on the drilling we've done, looking to actually do the work at Mirage and start to uncover the real potential of this asset. It is going to continue growing. But Brunswick is more than that. Last year, we launched the largest systematic grassroots exploration campaign of its kind across the world. We explored across the entire country. Not a single junior has ever done this in the last 20 years. Again, just ourselves, we had helicopters scouring the entire country, be it Newfoundland, be it Manitoba, Saskatchewan. We push the envelope to make lithium discoveries because we believe that there are significant discoveries to be made. We are going to repeat this. When it comes to exploration, when it comes to geology, when it comes to being successful, oftentimes it is the ones that have seen the most rock, that have the context in front of them to understand where to go looking and how to go looking for it. That's where we are best in class. When it comes to our program this year, we will absolutely continue advancing Mirage, but we see opportunities beyond that. We believe that Europe needs lithium. I think that North America is going to be supplied from Quebec, but how are they going to source themselves? That's why we are pushing the envelope. That's why we are first movers to do lithium exploration in Labrador. We are first movers to do sustained lithium exploration in Nunavut, and we are now forging new ground in Greenland. We understand what we are looking for. I'm not looking for lithium. I'm looking for lithium mines. I'm looking for lithium mines that can feed a market, be it the North American market or the European market. It's woven into our exploration DNA, all right? It is systematic lithium exploration at an unprecedented scale. We must have done roughly 1,000 targets. That's why exploration is hard, because it takes 1,000 targets to generate 3 discoveries. That's what we've done in Brunswick. Mirage, Elron, Anatakal, those are discoveries we made just last year. We're going to push Mirage because it has the right zip code, it has the right thickness, it has the right grade, it's at surface. There's still so much opportunity to grow it, but we are going to leverage that exploration team that we built inside Brunswick. We're going to leverage that exploration knowledge, that exploration success, and continue growing it into jurisdictions that no one has taught of to do lithium exploration, yet the geology is there. People like to put blinders on when they do exploration. Not so in Brunswick. We like to push the envelope. We've got the team, we've got the project, we've got the assets, we've got the company. We are going to push forward as much as we can. That's it. Thank you.